Now that they're inside reverse folded, we are going to take this top flap and tuck it right into the unit. Tuck it right in there. And same thing with this other flap. Tuck it right in there. So that it has this shape, has a boat shape. Flatten it, and for the bottom edge we are going to fold it up, and this will be the bottom of the boat. Fold it up, unfold, open the boat, and then shape it along this crease that we just made. Shape it along that crease. Lift it up, and then for this point, just kind of push it in, push it into the model, and then fold it into a triangle, or squeeze it into a triangle, and that flatten it at the point right there, and it shapes the tip of your boat. For the rest of this, the bottom, we are going to fold this triangle down into the boat. And then for this bottom point, fold it up and shape out your boat, and you have another boat.